And today I'm testing a 6-pin flasher relay. First of all, this is the 12 volts battery, very good battery right there, and two flasher relays, a good one and a bad one, so we can test both of them and see what the difference is between a good one and a bad one. Some banana type wires here. I like this one because see the connector right there, I can insert it on the pins on the flasher relay, so it can make it easy for me to do the test. Some bulbs, some wires here with alligator clips to make it easy to connect the bulbs and also to the battery. And here you can see the letters, but the letters are very hard to see. I'm gonna be showing this with my computer in a few seconds, but this is pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is power, it goes right here. And this one is earth. Negative or positive earth is the same, it goes on the negative on the battery. That is to power the flasher relay. Pin 2 is the left hand side turn signal. This one is the right hand side turn signal. That is pin number 3. Pin number 4 is to left, and pin number 5 is to right. I'm going to be showing that in a second for those people who get confused with that. Alright, here are the letters as you can see. Earth is the E. This is the left turn signal, right turn signal. This is to left, and this is to right, and this is B, the battery, positive. So you use one of these pins, either to right or either to left, to make work one of these turn signals here, either the right or either the left one. Alright, to save some time, I already inserted the wires here on the flasher relay. This is very easy. See the type of wires, banana type wire. Just insert them like this. I'm gonna power the flasher relay right now, like this, positive right there, pin number 6, and pin number 4 here. 1, I'm sorry, I apologize. 1 goes to negative here. I'm gonna try to separate the wires a little bit here, the two turn signals, and the two to left and to right wires. Next, you grab a bulb and a wire, one of the wires, and do this just like that. Another one on the other side. Just make sure the tip of the clips don't touch each other right there. And this is how it looks. And you're gonna do this to all of the wires. Now I'm gonna connect this to the negative here on the battery. And we're gonna choose one of the turn signals. Let's choose the left one. The left one right there. I'm gonna put it on top of that right there. If you choose the left one here, you gotta choose the left one here too. And what you do is you jump this one with this one here with the positive wire right there. And see right there. First of all, I'm gonna do this here so the flashing relay can be more visible. This is another bulb here, as you can see. We're gonna install this one too. Remember, we're working with the left hand side connected here together, just right there. And see, now this one is also working, but I don't know where to put it because it's looking very messy already. Alright, right there. Now if you want to connect another bulb here is the setup. Now we're gonna choose the other turn signal. This is the white one right here, and also they all come to the negative here. Remember, they all come to the negative. And now I'm gonna grab the only left wire here, which is the right hand side, and we're gonna connect it here to the positive. And I'm gonna jump it with this one here. I don't want to be holding it with my hand. I'm gonna jump in here just like that. See? And at this point, and now if we want to add the other bulb, the one that we have left here, see, this is the setup. Also, we come here to the negative. They all come to the negative, remember. And I don't have an alligator clip here on this one, so I'm just gonna see if I can make any contact here. And see, this one is also coming on, as you can see here. See, I'm covering this with my hands already, but I don't know how to do this. But they all coming on. See, disconnect this one here, and everything goes off. So that's how you test the flasher relay. Now we're gonna test the bad one. All right, the bad flasher relay here. We're gonna power right there. I found another clamp right there. All right, then you do the same setup here. We're gonna connect one end to the negative right there, and I'm gonna choose any turn signal. I don't care at this point. I know this is a bad flasher relay, and I'm gonna grab any of them here. See, it's completely dead. It should click at least. Let's grab the other one. Nothing. See, completely dead. Now let's check the other turn signal. This is the other turn signal here. This is the left one, by the way, the left hand side. So we're gonna choose the left hand side here too. Nothing. See, it's completely dead. Nothing. Alright, and this is how you test 6-pin flasher relay. It's very easy to test them once you know how the pins are marked with the letters here. Remember, when you see the T, TL means to the left hand side, and TR to the right hand side. You have to always jump those wires. So whenever it says T, you have to jump that one with this one here, the positive of the relay here. The positive wire from the relay, you have to jump TL or TR with this one here all the time. And the turn signal side comes to the negative here all the time. It's very easy. If you think this video is helpful for you in any way, please consider to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and stay blessed.